So over here you can see that I got different categories of mails right here. And if you want to move out the mails to some, let's say for example, another place like another label, or some other place like, let's say for example, under let's say social category or updates category, then what you can do is you can click and drag around the mail right here to where you want. Let's say for example you want to move this to social mails right here, simply drag that out right there. Then under social you can see the same mail. What you can also do is in the tabs you can just go around and click and drag out the mails right here, then that mail moves out over there. You can also click on a particular mail right over here, and then you can go to move to button right here and then select where you want to send the mail to. Let's say for example I want to move it to the TutorTube tutorial 2 section, then under over here you can see that particular mail as well. So what you can also do is you can select out multiple mails according to how you want, and then click on move to, and then go around over here onto, let's say for example, under TutorTube, and it goes under TutorTube right here. And that is how you can go around and move it out right there. What you can also do is you can right click over here, go to move to, and select like where you want to move it from over here as well. You can also move it out to, let's say, spam or trash, direct or to inbox right here, just like this. And that is how you can simply go around and use the move to option inside of Gmail. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.